Hello, this is a tutorial by request for this engine that is Unreal Engine 3. It's pretty old, but for some reason the performance on it is much better than Unreal Engine 4 or Unreal Engine 5 or 6 or whatever it is now, right? Well, said that, first off, a little bit of inspecting, right? Well, there's like different kind of Kismet nodes which do different stuff, right? I will close all these classes. This tutorial may suck because I'll be a lot of time thinking on making sure some concepts. And plus, my English is not the best ever, and it's hard to understand me sometimes. I know. Well, let's see. I have to close this. Okay, if we go here, sorry, that's not. If we go here, we have sec act, sequence action, and sequence event. Right. These two ones look to be the most natural ones. How to create one? I'll send a link to in the description of this file. I'll upload a Dropbox for maybe 1 year or 2 because it takes a little bit of memory anyways. And yeah, what else? Well, for instance, this hides the game HUD, right? Or you give pound AI or give pound health. Well, this gives the pound health. Let's watch it. Shall we? Okay, it's not finished. it was just we better know it's too hard. Well, this one looks at somewhere. Oh, okay, this one is finished. Okay, this is how we declare it and all that. Seg act. Yeah, look at. It's a sequence extend sequence action. Let's investigate it. Unactivate it. This gets called whenever. Well, let's load a level of the campaign of gliders of the arena. That I don't know why no one plays it, but it's pretty good. 20 minutes of fun. Come on, go buy the game and give us support for true games, please. Okay. This as well. I'll go and take this as of AG. No, this one. No, not this one. Outro. There's escaping. I think is okay. Open. Okay, this one. I think it's the second mission. I cannot close this. Oh God, this program. Okay. I need to close this, but I don't know how. Okay. There we go. Let's go to the Kismet. Okay. Let's watch how it's all managed in here. As you can see, there is level loaded. You can click it in here, even level loaded, right? And then you can go and this gets called whenever the level is loaded and visible. It's like a begin play in Unreal Engine 4, right? And this possesses the player. And this possesses the player. It's probably one of our custom nodes of the creative oven, or whatever you want to call it. And yeah, what else? Yeah. You have different nodes here, like all of these nodes are custom made nodes. I mean, the already existing ones are, it's probably this one already, or well, that's not a lot, I tell you that. And then you have touchy bands and what else? Yeah, I mean, nobody told me this. I learned it by myself. I don't know why you need this tutorial, because you could learn it by yourself, but I know that it was pretty difficult to learn at my time, and this can be a very good shortcut, right? But you probably want the files and that's it. But yeah, Uh, I'm telling you, there are two kinds. I think. There was a Latin one, but I don't know. Well, and yeah, if you need more help, don't mind asking. I'm glad to help you. Whoever you are, or whatever you want to make, why not? And I'll send you this. I'll put this in a pen drive already. Well, but that's it. As you can see, there's the events and there's this other thing. The events, for instance, let me remember what it was. Classes. Event. Ah. Well, but this is how you write an event. But the event was, well, it is not finished either. I don't know why it's here. I should delete it, but it's pretty hard to delete things in Unreal 3, so, you know. Yeah. An event triggers every time you call it from somewhere. I mean, no, it's finished. But you call it from somewhere. Like, let's try to watch this one. For this one. Search, finding files, funnel, and yeah, we can see here that okay, when something happens, okay, this is the when with this event. Every time an action happens in your code, it's like an enable listener in Unreal Engine 4, right? And yeah, you call it, shit happens. You can make things happen. If you go to the tutorial here, I have only few levels for such a game, right? It's not that big. Okay, and save. And I'm not saving because if I save something, I would break. It's not safe. And this is it. This is another level in which you have a lot of custom events like get damaged, start blocking. This is a tutorial that I made, right? It's like, well, I'm not recording. Yeah, I'm recording. Okay. If you start blocking at some point, and the state of this is like, because you can, Kismet has some advantages over Unreal Engine 4 blueprint system, but I don't remember which one exactly. But it got advantages, like some stuff that was better, but still a little bit oldish, in my opinion. But yeah, and there's sequence action and sequence event. So, and I think there's another one, but I don't remember. But these two ones are core to make a campaign. Are enough, good enough, and that's it. However, you know, said all about I don't know why you were renting Unreal Engine 3, because it's very like old and all that. And I think it's a perfect engine to have a game with performance. That it's not so big, and well, it's for Windows only. I know that sucks. I wish there was a UDK 2 at some point, because you see this Unreal Engine 4 and Engine 5. It's ruined so much. In my opinion, I don't. Maybe I'm wrong. I'm being ignorant here. But come on, man! You try to package a game for Android, and it takes 1 GB list or worse, and then a lot more stuff that it's problematic, and still it has bugs. and since it's growing rather than fixing their bugs, it's, you know, kind of stable. I mean, there's some of them, but yeah. Well, that's it for my little tutorial on how to do this. Well, I guess you get it. There's two ones, the sequence event and the sequence action. The sequence action, it's something you want it to happen, like, I don't know, set more health, turn someone immortal. And the sequence event, it's that whenever something happens, you want this to trigger, right? And that's it. Well, that's it for the tutorial. I will make the folder. Cheers.